of A, and if C equals the sum of A and B, which the following could be the value of C. So the way I would approach this is I would just like write out a couple quick equations. So like just write out B equals square root A, and then C equals A plus B, just to make it clear. Which the following could be. So like then I guess from here I would just plug in some of these numbers and see what worked.
Yeah, I think that would be a good choice. Which of the following could be a value of C?
Oh, then
Well, here's the deal. Okay, go to the whiteboard real quick.
Okay.
Right. So, looking at the top equation, these are the equations you said, right? If I square both sides of this top equation, then A is the same thing as B squared. Okay. The reason why I want to do that is because when we have an equation that has 3 variables in it, we're not going to get very far.
Right.
But I can do a substitution now and say that C is equal to B squared plus B.
Okay.
Okay. So if we go back to those choices, hold on. Now it just has to fit that pattern of B squared plus B. Okay, so we could start with numbers. See, these numbers are relatively small, the answer choices here. So if we did like 3 squared plus 3, that's 12, that's not a choice. 4 squared plus 4 is 20, not a choice. 5 squared plus 5, 30, is that a choice? Okay, so 30 is a possibility. So I'm just testing numbers. It's not going to take a long time because by the time we get to like, we're going to start bypassing these things.
Right.
We skipped right over 21. It wasn't even possible. Are you with me on that?
Yeah, I understand. So really all you're doing is you're going down the line, you start with like 2 or something like that, and you see. Yeah. Right, like would those equal any of these answers here?
Exactly.
Okay.
So like 72 works.
Right.
Because that's 8 squared plus 8.
Right. And then 9 squared plus 9. Right, and then you would bypass 100.
Right.
Like, 15, go all the way to like.
Try 15 squared plus 15. So that's not big enough.
Right. And then, what did I just do? I did 8? 8?
Yeah, 18 is too big. So we could try 17 and see if that works.
But, yeah, I don't think it does.
It does not.
Gotcha. So it's just the 30 and the 72.
Correct.
Got it.
So this technique of plugging in the answer choices is a really good technique to use really on any problem where there's variables involved.
Right.
If it's multiple.
Exactly.